Ito ang aking pangako, pag-ibig na di maglalaho. To be patient, to be kind and to be true, to love and to be loved by you.
Ay, Yura Balmariano, hinahanga na naman sa galing sa pag-arte. Iba naman kasi siya umatake. Hands down, Balmariano's acting walang kupas. This is Cha's story. Ang hirap pagtiwala ang nawala. It's easy to give but hard to earn. Explains why Cha wants all to be perfect. She doesn't want to disappoint her parents again. Loving every character. Without a doubt, she's the best actress.